If you are not bald, but your hair still looks flat, awkward, and zero flow, this video is for you. You have probably tried everything: sea salt sprays, blow-drying tricks, even expensive haircuts, but the result is still the same. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that clean, modern flow, what actually works, what to avoid, and why most guys never get it right. Point 1. First, define your flow direction. You need to decide which direction your hair will flow: back, side swept, or a natural middle fall. This should not be random. Stand in front of a mirror and observe which way your hair naturally falls and which direction suits your face shape. Then lock that direction in. This step may seem simple, but it is the foundation that controls everything else. Point 2. Treat growth in structured phases. Hair growth is not a straight line process. Break it into 3 phases. Short to where you are setting the direction. Medium to where the awkward stage hits and shape is lost. Long, where the actual flow becomes visible. Most people fail in the medium phase because they think their hairstyle is ruined. In reality, it is just a transition stage. Point 3. Make micro adjustments every 3 to 4 weeks. You should still visit a barber, but with a purpose. Just clean up the sides, keep the neckline tidy, and remove unnecessary bulk. Clearly tell your barber, "I want to keep the length, just clean up the shape." These micro adjustments keep your hairstyle looking intentional even while it's growing. Point 4. Understand layers and weight control. As your hair grows, its weight changes. If the top becomes too heavy, the flow collapses. If the sides get too bulky, the shape spreads out. That's why layers are not just for style. They are for weight distribution. Light layering creates movement, and that movement is what we call flow. Point 5. Daily habits determine the final result. Your hairstyle is not just the result of a haircut, it is the outcome of your daily routine. How you dry your hair, the direction you set it in, how much product you apply, all of this builds your hair's memory. If you consistently follow the same pattern every day, your hair will start falling naturally in that direction after a few weeks. And that is real flow. If this video is helpful for you, so like this video and comment below.